good. It's probably about 8:30, 9. It's Sunday. Another Sunday vlog. Dear journal, Elsa is the best.
I love it when she talks to me as I'm trying to concentrate. It's a great test of my willpower.
For breakfast, I'm gonna have some granola and almond milk, inspired by my friend Chia Babe. It's like cereal. Yum.
You know, my 8-year-old would define success to be like whether he got to eat Nutella. It's very important to me that I don't get the reputation of hating all algorithms. They actually like algorithms, and they're characterized by 3 properties: that they're very widespread and important. So like they make.
So this is our OG Goal Zero battery. We got him about a year ago. It's a 400 watt-hour battery, meaning we could operate something that draws 1 watt for 400 hours. Like this USB charged fan, it draws 1 watt, so we can run it for 400 hours. My laptop, when it's charging, draws over 70 watts, but let's just say it draws 400 for the sake of this example. This would be able to be run 1 hour on a 400 watt-hour battery. Does that make sense? We've decided we just want to be less reliant on going into towns for work. I bit the bullet and I bought an additional Goal Zero battery. This is our Yeti 1000 lithium battery. Unlike our lead acid 400 watt-hour battery. This guy is almost 3 times the amount of power as our other battery. An all new screen showing us all kinds of new information. 4 USB chargers, still the same 2 regular wall outlets there. Input 12 volt. Even has a little storage thing up here. This was an open box battery on Goal Zero's website. I guess that means that it was used as a display battery or something, or the box had been opened before, so we got it for like $500 off. Otherwise, I probably wouldn't have bought this battery just then. We currently only have a 30 watt solar panel to charge both of these batteries, so I did get a 100 watt solar panel from a friend on his pro deal. Thank you, Hunter. Spending a lot of money is not ever a nice feeling, but because we're living like this, it's nice to have stuff that will improve quality of life. Now we won't have to be frugal in our power consumption and charging our phones and batteries and laptops and things. Something we also picked up for cheap is this teeny little DJI Spark from our friend Kyle. Thanks, Kyle. He was wanting to buy the new DJI drone, so he sold us his for a good deal. In not paying rent and in being frugal in all areas of spending, I then have so much more money that I can spend money on tools to help facilitate my craft. It's freaking awesome. Try it. Good boy. Sit. Good boy. Spin around. Spin around. Oh, sit. Spin around. Good boy. We found some old footage of us, like 4 years ago in camp. What is this?
I am making a separator for my clothing to put all of my socks and underwear type stuff in.
You think that'll stay up?
No, but if I tape it, it will.
Nice and insulated too.
Yeah, keep my socks warm.
Oh. Wow, such progress. Looks good.
Socks and underwear here, pants and shirts here, and this is all my sort of desert things that I've been wearing a lot lately, so I'm keeping them handy. And then over here, I have things that I will often wear if the stuff in the box gets dirty, so I have them relatively handy too. And then I'm using this for dirty clothes. T-shirts and sweatshirt. All my collared shirts. These are effectively camouflage for when we go into town, so we look like we fit in. And a flannel and a jacket. Good as new. Ish.
I had no idea today was Super Bowl Sunday. Right now we are on our way to our friend Garrett's house in town. Cool thing about Garrett is that we met him at Starbucks coffee shop when we were working. He came up to us and said, "Oh, I know your YouTube channel." That was crazy, and we've hung out with him a couple times since. Now we're here at his awesome acre of land. Hi, pretty horse. Hi, you got some big eyeballs.
Potatoes and rice.
Are these potatoes too?
Yeah, these are red potatoes.
And you're doing mashed potatoes.
Yeah.
Dang, boy.
Hello, thing. You guys are basically Snow White. All of your animals are like just chilling. Dude, what are you doing? I just realized how extravagant this is.
No, this is like normal dinner.
Man.
This is normal dinner at our house.
Oh, I bet they have so much fun together.
What are those? Little potatoes?
Yeah.
It's amazing. Hey, it is me again. I'm actually back here at Nick and Garrett's house about to upload this video, and I just want to take this time to give a huge shout out and thanks to Nick and Garrett for allowing us a house to shower in, to send our mail to wash our clothes while we've been in town. Thank you guys so much, and thank you to the rest of you watching this video. I sincerely appreciate you spending the time to watch this and follow our journey. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.